song home, yeah, where we used it most.
Thank you, Kamoila. We knew you were listening. I joke because it really is a day like today when all of those people become very present when we share their music. Going to Kaho'olawe for the very first time was on the first legal access. Some of you didn't even know how to swim and you were willing to jump off a boat and swim to shore. Everyone was that passionate at that moment in time. And as I reflect on it, I'm about to turn 67 and I remember Uncle Harry Mitchell telling me I'm 67, you know. So I'm exactly the age that he was when I was hanging out with him and listening to his songs and his stories. As Kamoila said, I carried this song many places in the world. I played at the Vancouver Folk Music Festival one year in front of 25,000 people. And it was an interesting time because nuclear ships from the US Army were in port and the people were protesting their presence there. And I was able to share with this melee that at the exact moment in time, RIMPAC exercises were going on here in Hawaii, and their country was also doing things to our land that we needed to think about. Many wonderful times to share this song here on Molokai as well. But my favorite is still around the fireplace at Hakeoawa with all the kupuna present. And they said, go get Jerry, he's down by the beach. And they said, it's your turn to sing us to sleep. And so we would sing to them. And this is always the song that we close the evening with. And people would get up around the fireplace and do their hula for us. So as I said, this is a day of hula. And if there's anybody out there still feeling this presence, why you come join us, okay? Aloha ki umoku o Kaho'ola, mai ke nohi o ino o kanalo, o e malam lau kana ka ole I ki mai la pua Aluli ke kako kuia lao no ke kauma kaupo me kau puni paapu kamana no kapono kaina imua pua lana kila Kaho'olawe. Uncle Harry's words say, love our island, Kaho'olawe. From the beginning, you were called Kalalua, the southern beacon, now barren and without population. But you are slowly being visited by our people again, and it brings you some peace. And so even now, let us continue to gather together, people of Hawaii. From the sun up until the sun down, as we join together in one thought, to bring new life to our land. So let us continue to move forward and bring that salvation for Kaho'olawe. Ano na pua o Hawaii no ke kaua kauhoro me kau pua kamana no kapono kaina imuana bua lana kila kaolave imuana bua lana kila We thank you for letting us come. Actually, I have to thank Camuela.
No.
Elsie called Camuela. Camuela was going to bring his group, but they couldn't come, so he called me. So this was actually Camuela's show that Uncle Jerry just took over. Because when you're old, you get to do that, yeah?
So glad.
But thank God for this beautiful day we have here in Kuala Lumpur today. It's been our pleasure to make music for you, a little happy music before we have to head on. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, now go ahead and Oni oila, iha oni. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, now go ahead and Oni oila, iha oni. Oni oila, iha oni. Very, very, oh halema. Oh no, we kalawle. Oh he no na he. Oh he oi kumana. Oh 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 now. Hello now. Oh ni oi la. Iha oli. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 now. Hello now. Oh ni oi la. Iha oli. Oh ni oi la. Iha oli. Oh, zippity doo da, zippity yeah. Oh man, what a wonderful day. Plenty of sunshine heading my way. Zip, zip, zippity doo da, zippity yeah. There is the blue pearls on my shoulder. There's the truth, is that true? Everything is satisfactory, zippity-doo-da, zippity. A wonderful feeling, it's a wonderful day. And Mr. Mother is on my shoulder. Oh, yeah, you know that everything is so like a easy, but Kamalea Oko.